Hi everyone. In this video, we will explain how to use the Setup Color Boost wizard. When you print t-shirts, print white toner laser transfers, or create DTF transfer with ink removal, you might like to boost colors in the semi-transparent areas to avoid these looking faded. To access the Color Boost wizard, go to the Q menu and select Setup Color Boost. This will open the Setup Color Boost dialog. First, you will set the page size of your print bed. For this example, I'm using 14 by 16. Next, I select the graphic that I want to use as the print sample. Now, I'll set the size I would like to print the graphic. This way, I can fit more samples on the page, giving me more variations of color boost amount to choose from. After selecting Next, the new dialog will allow me to select the minimum and maximum increment of prints, as well as the increment of change. I will go with a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 12. With increments of 2 to show the effect of the color boost. Now click Print Color Boost Chart. Now you will see that 6 jobs with a variation of the color have been created in the queue. Select any of the jobs, right-click, and select Print, or select the print icon from above. CMYK colors in the transparent areas will be boosted, while the white underbase area stays the same. In this example, you can see that the color boost can be too much when you print it out. Color boost will only affect semi-transparent areas and will not have any effect on the areas of the graphics that are opaque. To change the opaque areas, you would need to use the Color Boost Graphics slider found in the Print Modes dialog in the Processing Options section. After viewing the printed results and comparing the color boost values, go back to the Setup Color wizard and in the field representing the preferred color boost value on the right, enter the chosen value. In this case, a value of 8 had the best results. Click Next. In this final dialog, you have 3 options. Only apply the choke to the queue, apply the choke to the current print mode, or create a new print mode. We will select Create a New Print Mode, give it a name, and click Finish. A new print mode has been created, and you can select it on the Print Mode drop-down list found on the Queue tab in the lower right area of your screen. If you ever make changes to the print mode, you will need to reselect the newly modified print mode in the queue before any new changes will be applied to the queue. The color boost is a print mode feature. If you change the color boost in the queue instead of the print mode, you will lose the color boost value you set if you select another print mode. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos covering all of CADLINK's products.